Hey, I just got done watching our founder and his buddy Pete just talk about this thing called Save Club. Okay. Charles, he lives in Vegas, and Pete, I think he lives in California, if I remember right. Southern Cal, I think it was San Diego, he said, or something like that. But anyway, we have live Zoom meetings with Save Club 1, 2, 3 times a week. And I post everyone. I record everyone and I put it on my YouTube channel. And I will post that this video that I'm talking about with Charles and Pete below this video somewhere, so you can watch it as well. But I like to just get information, what's going on, what's on the thoughts, what's in the mind of Charles. And I like when Pete asks some questions, and plus they're good at answering like 10, 20 email questions at the end of the Zoom. Okay, so they have like a nice display. I think it's like 5, I don't know if you call it a display, a presentation, I guess, where Charles just says, okay, guys, watch this. So for 6 minutes, you can watch a video, just like if you go to ilovesaveclub.com. Watch that video, okay? Then at the end, if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me if you'd like. I think that I can answer most of them at this point. I've gotten a hold of support. Jeremy, good kid, support at saveclub.com, okay? Because you're going to have questions. And if they're all about the same topic week after week after week, that's okay. It's usually going to be about marketing. Sometimes it's technical, like, hey, I didn't get an email after I put my name in. All right, get a hold of support at saveclub.com because, I don't know, maybe the automated email you're going to get after you pre-enroll, maybe it went to a junk or a spam folder. Sometimes I catch people accidentally and sometimes they do it on purpose. They put in a fake email address because they don't want to be on an autoresponder. And then they find out they want to join. So I just go, well, guys, you got to put in a real, you can't put Elvis Presley is alive and kicking at gmail.com. Okay. There's a lot of nonsense I get. Sometimes I get Harry Reamed. I get Michael Hunt. I get Wham Bam. I mean, I've had just about every smart ass put in a fake email address. But remember, if you want to get information for real, and if you really do want to join, you got to use a real email address, okay? Now, support at saveclub.com, that's more technical, okay? If you have a credit card issue, cryptocurrency, if you need help, e-wallet, Bitcoin, we're going to have iPayout, okay? We're going to have a lot of different ways that you can pay or get paid because just here in America, we use banks. They're all over the place, literally. But there's going to be some countries where it's not that easy. So we're going to specialize in cryptocurrency, okay, and other ways that what's best for you. Because we know it's different in China from down in Brazil, down in Australia, right up here in America, or right across into England, okay? But some people have comfort with using different styles of pay, and we're going to accommodate that, okay? But support at saveclub.com. Don't be shy. Okay, they'll help you out. They've helped me out quite a bit. Thank you, Jeremy, by the way. He's the one that contacts me the most with my answers, okay? So I love saveclub.com. You click that, you're going to go to this page, you're going to watch that video, okay? And you're going to learn a lot of cool stuff, all right, just by watching that video. Now, getting back to the webinar, okay, it's fun to just see the personality, okay, or the ambition, or just see what's going on with Charlie. I call him Charlie. Charles Moy, okay? Charles just sounds so, it's like my grandpa. I really did have a grandpa Roby, and his name was Charles. So when I say Charles, I think of my grandpa. I like Charlie, man. He's like, we go and get ourselves a beer and watch some football, okay? But yeah, our founder, I like the meetings that we have, okay? And I'm going to post every meeting we have. I record them because they are live Zooms, and most people can't watch live. You're at work, you're sleeping. Most people, we have like 300 people on a Zoom, and I know we have like 5 to 10,000 people in, and we're going to have millions eventually, and still 300 to 500 people will watch the live Zoom. So there's mucho benefits of watching just a nice replay of a Zoom. You can fast forward if you don't understand what he just said or whoever's on the Zoom. You can just rewind, pause, listen to it on the way to work, listen to it after work. There's a lot of cool things you can do, okay? But anyway, the Zoom was fun, okay? He says we're going to go worldwide. Don't worry about it. We are specializing in America as far as savings, like local businesses and whatnot. But yes, we're going to Canada. We will be all over Asian areas. And right now, our biggest, the sleeping giant is always going to be Asia. Okay, it can be from India to China down to Japan. And we already have really great activity in Malaysia, okay, in the Philippines. Okay, so don't worry, guys and girls. If you live over in those areas, okay, we're definitely going to get the best savings because we know half of the battle, which is nice in this case, is just convincing people that the product that you might be getting for that 1997 is worth it. Okay, is the juice worth the squeeze, or is the squeeze worth the juice? Okay, because sometimes when you go like this in public, you'll go to jail, especially if you're in a female locker room. But you got to just sit back and go, would I actually join Save Club? Would I spend $20 to save $50 to $100 on things I'm already buying? In my case, yes, because I've already looked, I've already joined. All right, I'm pretty darn successful already in Save Club, and that's just as an affiliate. It's nice to make $1,500 in a couple weeks. My first week or two. I don't do Savings Club. This is my first time doing anything like this, but it's nice to know that I'm really saving money for real. Because sometimes when you're selling a product, you don't really believe in it. Like, let's say I'm selling Avon Specialized for ladies. I know I'm not going to wear perfume, or I don't even know what ladies wear. Maybe I'm, what's it called, cross-dressing night? Maybe I have cross-dressing Sunday where I do wear female clothes. Do you have a size 14 high heel? Because my feet are massive and my whole body is. So I need to go to Giant Ladies R Us and shop. But I won't have the passion with Avon, to be honest. Okay? I'm just not into the products for obvious reasons, I hope. But with Save Club, yeah, I need tires. I need to fly. I need to stay somewhere. I need to have a Subway and a pizza. I do go to Walmart and Costco. I'm going to drive by that damn Burger King and buy a Whopper. Okay? I'm going to go to Lowe's. I was just there 2 days ago. I was at Home Depot about a week ago. Okay, I had to buy some clamps. I'm putting this big roof rack on one of my Hummers, and I needed these little clamp things. And they were $25 for 5. They're $5 a clamp. So if I can save $5 by just holding my phone up at Home Depot, finding a deal, scanning the QR code, or maybe it's on my front screen, or you just read to the cashier person. Okay, save money. Thank you. Because that extra money, I drive vehicles that get like 8, 9, 10 to the gallon, and that's it, guys. I'm not kidding you. I spend more money on gas than anyone I know. I mean, just for driving. I mean, if you're a driver, a semi-truck driver, or drive for the post office, but boy, I go through gas a lot. And man, if we get a gas card, you know, where you save, oh man, I'm going to hope I can be on the company video. Just going, guys, I drive a lot. I spend a lot on fuel, diesel mostly. And it's nice to know that when you have a product that you're actually using and believe in, oh my God, you're not embarrassed. I'll tell anyone about Save Club. Anybody. I'm not embarrassed at all. Once they have merchandise, because Charlie last night with Pete, they said, yeah, we're going to come up with some merch. Okay? Because my buddy Mac, all right, he's the biggest of them all in our company right now. He has some nice graphics of himself all just looking cool, and he made all this stuff with Save Club, so we're like all jealous now. We're going, well, crap, man, we need some merch. Okay, we could use some shirts that look kind of cool that say Savey Clubby on them, and a hat, and a tanky top, and maybe some shirts without sleeves, but we'll let you know on that. Okay, that's down the road. He says, yes, we will have merch. Okay, but priority is like, okay, we're under pre-launch right now. If you're watching me now, let's see, we're going into the second week of May of 2025. Okay, we barely have thousands of people that are even registered or affiliates at this point. We will have 1 million. When people see all the savings and then it goes to the worldwide web of being worldwide, it's going to blow people's minds away. All it takes is just a few people in those Asian areas, and oh my God, all of a sudden you got 300,000 people joined. Then you go over to Africa. Oh my gosh, people love saving money over there. Here in America, obviously, no brainer. We spend probably more than anybody. I don't know anyone that can't wait to go buy stuff. We got the biggest cars, the biggest houses. We got the biggest of everything. And we buy 5 hats like this. We only need 1 or 2, but we buy 5. Okay. Looking at my walls, I do like to shop. And it's funny because there's 51 walls besides this one. I have a total of 52 walls throughout this whole commercial building, all of them decorated like this. Okay, so man, if I could get even 10% of my money back through Save Club, oh, I'd cry like a little biatch. Okay, so anyway, I like watching those Zooms, and I'll do my best to record every one of them, and I'll post them on my YouTube channel. Okay, and I might as well promote my YouTube channel because you're watching my video now, but I don't know where you might have caught this darn thing. But yeah, let me see if I can pop it up here real quick here on my screen for you. Okay, if you look at the top, it's just youtube.com. I guess is that the username after the @ sign? Cory, the letter J Draper. Okay, I have a whole bunch of YouTube channels, but this one is my baby. Okay, you can see the money. All right, I've named it Official Save Club. I love that name. And you can see, guys, I already have like 80 to 90 videos just on Save Club already. Okay, I like making videos. Yesterday I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I did 8 videos yesterday. And I think I did 9, 10, or 11. I did 15 one day. But you can tell my thumbnails I don't put a lot of money into. I just put some bright colored font. Is that font? Is that what it's called? All right, then pictures, and just go from there. But please subscribe right there, guys. Okay, and you'll find me. Just search Cory J Draper Official Save Club. Look for the money there of that bald receding hairline guy. This is what I look like without a hat, or that smiling face. Can you see? I'm trying to look the same as my picture. Okay, look, same hat. See the smile? I just have my shades off. That's all. I'm looking cool. I'm looking sexy, right? So, okay, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. I always have a blast just going. I just show you Save Club. Okay, what is it? How do you save money? How much is it? Okay, I love saveclub.com. Just go there now, click, and just fill out that form. Okay, boom. Go ahead and watch that little video. And I want you, if you join me, I want you to do everything exactly how I do. Make things fun and just get good at inviting people to a link. Boom. And they're going to click it and they're going to watch a little movie. Okay, what's the movie? It's right there. All right, it's CEO, founder Charles. He's going to take everyone for a little 6-minute ride. Okay, so invite someone to click something, to watch something, and then it's up to them to join. And it really is. Because if you're watching my video, okay, you're probably, you have already joined someone else, or maybe you've joined my team, and maybe you're just on the fence still. You want to watch, I don't know, watch 50 other videos about Save Club. I love it. I've made about 80, 90 to 100 videos about it. I've made about $1,500 in a couple weeks, and I'm on the leaderboard. I can't remember how many I've signed up, but I think I got 51 or 52 people signed up already, and I just have nothing but good to say. Because I'm mouthy. If I have anything bad to say, I say it in video. Trust me. I don't need to like fake it to make it with anything. Not when you're as old as me, guys. Okay. I'm not going to do something that sucks or is embarrassing. Just my mouth is embarrassing enough. Ask my friends of the crap I say each week and then regret it later. Okay, guys. Thanks for your time. All right. I love saveclub.com. Come aboard. Let's make some money. Let's save some money and make some money too. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.